Hello, my friends. I want to wish everyone a very happy and blessed Mother's Day, a very special day to honor our mothers and all the mothers. So for this occasion, I pulled out one of my blank note cards that I love. I love the blank ones because you can embellish and decorate them however you want to and personalize for whatever occasion that you need it for. Okay, so for this Mother's Day card that I made, I did a freehand sketch of, see, the child is giving a rose to the mother for Mother's Day, and the mother is giving the child her heart. I thought that was sweet. And so it's kind of a fun, whimsical sketch. And then, so I sketched it, and then I added some color with my colored pencils. And so then over on this side, I sketched, I think you would call that like a lily. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a lily. These usually bloom right around Mother's Day. Okay, so yeah, I took and the blank note card that I chose was this one. I got this pack at Dollar General. There's 8 blank note cards and the envelopes included for $1 for all of them. All 8 cards and eight envelopes. And which it's like a black and white. And what I did, yeah, you can't beat that price, can you? So what I did was see, that's total black and white. So to add a pop of color, I colored in this flower here. And it's red, like the red rose inside the card. So yeah, that is like, and they're American greetings. Yeah, for now, these you can pick these up at Dollar General for $1 for 8, and they're very nice quality. They're American greetings. That's on the back of the pack. So they're American greetings and totally blank inside, so you can personalize them. So they have like several different designs. This one's like the plain black and white, and then they have like those beautiful butterflies. The plastic's still on the pack, so I don't know if that's interfering. It may be kind of adding a shine. Look at that with the flowers and the butterflies. Isn't that beautiful? And they're totally blank inside. You can personalize those. I just love these. So there's 8 blank note cards, totally blank inside, the cards and the envelopes. And they have, that's another version of it, that beautiful there. So that's another one. And then they have several others that you can choose from. And if y'all like this idea, or I would recommend go ahead and if you can find them. A lot of times they've been sold out, and so I found some more the other day. So yeah, I would recommend, if you like this idea, if you find them in your store, I would recommend stocking up on those, because you know, who knows with this inflation situation and shrinkflation situation going on, who knows how much longer we'll be able to get those. And if they, you know, I don't even know if they're even, after they sell out, I don't know if they're even going to continue to stock those. So, and then Dollar Tree also, they have some you can get the blank note cards in the package, like in a group. And of course their prices have been going up, and they've been putting fewer cards in there, but I still buy some of my favorites over there from Dollar Tree also. So anyway, yeah, and Dollar Tree's been having these in stock for quite a while, but I don't know how long that's going to last, because, you know, things are a-changing. So anyway, so I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed Mother's Day. And yeah, I feel so blessed to be a mother, to have children and grandchildren. And so, yeah, I really appreciate I'm so thankful for my sons, my daughter-in-laws, and my grandchildren. So, okay, have a wonderful Mother's Day, and I so appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, friends.